What my toddler ate today, this morning, she had a hearty breakfast of 2 sausages, some big pieces of broccoli, and a half a waffle. So just starting the day out strong with a healthy, well-balanced breakfast. For her morning snack, she had these healthier Cheez-It options and some pumpkin seeds. For her lunch, she had a little bit of turkey, more broccoli, and a banana. For her afternoon snack, she had this Greek yogurt, and I added a little honey because it's pretty tart. And then for dinner, she had some like Korean beef with vegetables and rice, and finished up her night with blueberries.